So in this mixer, I'm gonna throw in our butter. Like I said, we're making a strawberry jam cake. So to this butter, I'm also going to add some sugar and a half a cup of strawberry jam.
Is that the Melton family jam?
It is, it's my dad's jam.
Dad makes
Wendell's
some
jam.
delicious jam.
All right, so we're gonna let that mix up. All right, so that's gonna keep going. And then, here, you just dump in all this stuff.
Dump in all that
Look,
stuff.
we're
Put in the
done now.
flour.
We're done.
The dry ingredients.
That's great. Oh, it also gets this, a little bit of buttermilk.
And a little bit of buttermilk. Yummy.
Right? So then you pour it into your cake pan. You line it with a little bit of parchment paper. So I just inverted the cake over here. We're gonna peel off our parchment paper, and you can add a few blobs of that.
Cream cheese frosting?
Yes, that's cream cheese frosting.
Yeah.
You can use store-bought, you can use homemade, whatever you'd like. And then we're also going to do, this is a fun little trick, a really easy decorating tip for whenever you have a cake. I just like to do a couple little blobs of strawberry jam on top. And then we're gonna grab a chopstick from your Chinese food that you had last night. And then, yeah, you just do little fun little designs like that, little swirl patterns.